Need a knife?
There's no Wii here.
Oh.
Trust me. It's a Gemara, maybe. You can trust me, it's not a Gemara. It's not a Wii.
I know.
What do you think it is?
Not a clue. Just big. Oh, there's a box that says
Is a Wii this big?
There's a box that says a Wii on it.
Can you bring me that other box?
There's a lot of boxes.
You know I'm recording this. We're gonna run out of our space here.
There's another box.
Yeah, he's wearing.
I'm saying there's another box? Oh, I didn't even know.
Yeah.
Where did we get these?
There's a box.
That's the size of a Wii, and that's the size of a Wii Fit.
Maybe that's what it is. Or maybe not.
Or maybe not.
Have you ever had the Mishnayos Mevieres?
Or maybe not. He stopped
No.
talking.
Mevieres? No?
Well, look
Well, you
what is
still
this?
don't.
Oh my.
This is not for you.
I
This
know.
we're gonna send somewhere else. But this is a Spyro. I don't know what this is.
Uh-oh.
And this is a Wii sports game included. I don't know what else. I don't know how to do this. But
Hey
this
kids,
is it.
coming right up.
You mean you
Okay.
had a Wii? I guess we bought the right game.
I guess that game will work with the Wii. And then what were you saying about Wii Fit?
Mommy, can you pinch me a couple times?
Don't worry, I'll take care of that. This is a Wii Fit
Oh, that's for me! Oh, thank you, Ty. You shouldn't
with
have.
a whole thing.
Wow.
Oh my God, this is not me.
What?
Now,
Only 5 kisses?
just to bring you down to earth,
Why don't I
Yes.
get a kiss?
there's a good possibility.
Yeah.
Hey!
If your behavior doesn't match up to the Wii, going back.
To me?
And by